Hello, how is everybody today? I hope y'all are doing well. Today while I was, filming another video, my Etsy order arrived because I am a PR girl for Lifestyle. And this one arrived today, and so I thought I would film not only this one, but also the one from a month ago. And if you see a black marker on me, I just did a dupe video for Tombow versus Dollar Tree brand markers. I will link that down below. So if you like these type of planner sticker videos, let me know and we can do more. Like I said, I am a PR girl, so I'm just sharing you with what Lauren's Lifestyle has in her shop. So sit back, relax, and let's go on to the stickers. We'll start with the first one. And she adds a little note and a cute little paper clip. And then we have a punch card. So we can get all of them, you can get a discount. And then we have a sampler sheet. So there's that. And then we open up this nice packaging that I've obviously ruined just by doing this. So we have a small sheet of cleaning supplies, which are in rainbow colors. Great for where you plan on cleaning. And these have been $1 Wednesday sheets in the past. Follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram down below so you can know when these $1 Wednesdays or $2 Tuesday sales are up. And then we have trash bins in rainbow. Apparently I got 2 rainbow. 3 rainbow. Okay. I thought I got some pastel ones, but apparently not. And then we have 3 paydays in rainbow. Money bag. And books. So that is all for the first order. And like I said, you can get these for like a couple of dollars, no big deal, and you can get them in rainbow or pastel colors. Now, let's go on to the second. Ooh. And then she put in a little shipping label. And we're going to open it up again. Here we have the pastel laundry baskets. When you mark on your calendar that you're doing laundry, and I got 2 of those. And then we have 3 kits. Let's start with the American Girl kit. When I first saw this, I was like, "This is beautiful." It can be used for the 4th of July, anytime in July, Labor Day, that sort of thing. Her kits are mostly white space kits, but I still love them because they're absolutely perfect. So we just have the hydrate, weekend, payday. We have our to-dos, our today's and little things with some quarter boxes and, work schedule. Then we have some half boxes with some leaves, flowers, perfect colors, American colors, full boxes. And that is the American Girl kit. I'll go through it once more. And I will link every single kit down below. So that way you know. That way you have a quick link to go get it. This next kit is called the Flamingo Fiesta. And seriously, when I saw this, I was like, oh, I need this in my life. It's just like any other kit, but more like flamingos, and flamingos are in right now. So this is like a good late summer kit. And once more going through. That is a Flamingo Fiesta. And lastly, we have Freedom Rings. Looks this would be good for the 4th of July. This is in her old layout, not her new one. And this does come with washies, the other don't. So I think she's doing some washi, some not. So there we go. And one more time, flip through. Okay, and these are for the Erin Condren. I'm sure you can use them for any other planner like the Michael's Recollections, which is what I use. So yeah, that is my haul from Lauren's Lifestyle. I will link everything down below, and if you use Life with Gwenny 30, you can get 30% off your entire order. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.